Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, lady. You saw me kissing on the counter, it wasn't me. Saw me kissing on the sofa, it wasn't me. Even caught me in the shower, even caught me on camera. Boy, you know I want your love. Your love is handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy. I think about you all the time, I see it in my dreams. Rockabye, rockabye. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with the shape of you. Last night you were in my room, and on my bed she'd smell like you. It's going soft and round. I'm in love with the shape of oh ah, oh ah, oh ah, oh ah. Oh ah, oh ah, oh ah, oh ah. But it's just a price I pay. Destiny is calling me. Open up my eager eyes. I'm Mr. Brightside. Before you go, don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. I'm not planning on going solo. You make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven. You make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven. The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Ooh, me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and then we talk slow. You can come on start a conversation with me and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Take my hands up, put on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. Before you go, shake me hanging on like a yo-yo, like a magnet. Before you go, I'm hanging out, I'm stuck. Shake me feel like that's not you. I've been locked out of heaven. Make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven. Shake up, oh ah, oh ah, oh ah, oh ah. Oh ah.